Hi everybody, this is a quick video about Celsius. I've been in this company with around 6 months and I make this kind of money, $73. Um, this is a good company. They have 6.20% APR for Bitcoin, for Ethereum 5.35 APR. So this is a very good rate from now. I know it's not your kids, not your coin, but I don't tell you you invest all your crypto in Celsius. I have in another wallet. I have Nexus, and I wanna come back to again to BlockFi. But anyway, let me show you the loan what I got. I have two loans. I buy a coin with that one. I have one for 1,250. I pay monthly $1 for 12 months. I have this one, my first one, 500, and I pay $1.65. You can see the difference. This one I only take LTV 25%, and this one is at 33%. So the rate is more higher. Okay, what I do with this money, I buy more coin and I put it here. That's what I did. And look good. I mean, my strategy, what I do, is looking good. So this is my quick video. I know it's been long time make a video, and I'm gonna continue to do it. Okay, it's not easy make a video and kind of that. Okay, my friends, thank you for watching my video. This is David signing out. If you have any comments about what kind of video you want me to do it, I will do it. And I thank you for watching. Bye bye.